I'm gonna show you how to change the headlight bulbs on a Chevy Tahoe, Avalanche, Suburban, any 07 to 2014 Chevy truck. So as you can see, this one's out. That one works. We're still gonna change it. So a couple things you're gonna need. You're gonna need the bulbs, obviously, 10 millimeter, and some dielectric grease for the connections. Get started. We're gonna loosen these 10 mils up. All right, so now we're just gonna pull the headlight so we can get some access to the bulbs. All right, so it's a tight squeeze, but we got plenty of room to work now. So all we're gonna do is turn that and take it out. Okay, here there's a couple tabs. Just gonna move them to the side. Just take it off. And there you go. So as you can see, I applied some dielectric grease on the connection. And just a small little dab is good. And we're ready to put the bulb on. Now it's in. All right, as you can see, both headlights work now, and we're good. So that's how you change your headlight bulbs on a Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, Avalanche, GMC Yukon, Denali, XL. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.